Okay, so in this video I'm just going to share something that brings me a little pleasure. There's always a difficult balance in education between celebrating your successes and being a bore. So I hope I will be more of the first one and less of the second one. I became aware a little while ago that my earlier guide was actually used as part of a study skills program at the University of Oxford. And if you go looking, you will find online the summary for that program. Now, I'm going to put those resources around this video so you can see them for yourself, but roughly speaking, I became aware that the earlier red guide that I'd produced was used as part of a study skills course, and I decided that it was worth updating what was in that course because it was obviously getting some use. So you will find in this orange guide material that was inspired by that earlier project, but which has gone a little bit further. And one of the ways that it's gone further is that it has QR codes to videos that reinforce the content. And I think you'll also find the content just that little bit sharper, just a little bit more focused. And so if you're wondering which one to get, I recommend you get the orange book. But it's also the case that I have a lot of affection for the earlier project, which was the red book, because it demonstrated that there was an obvious appeal and demand for this project. Thanks for listening.